Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called apps and notifications, and once you find it, tap on it. Here scroll through the menu and find the option called app info. Once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll through the list of apps, find the application you want to uninstall. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the uninstall option. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the app will be removed from your watch. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.